Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing well, and today I'll be sharing my favorite rice mask recipe with you all, so make sure you watch it. And I'm not going to do anything really special. I'm just going to take some rice flour and make sure it's organic and not just like anything local or anything, because you're putting it on your face. And I'm adding some milk, and for oily skin people I'll suggest that you don't add too much milk, and also don't add malai to your face mask because it can lead to breakout, so don't add malai. I'm just mixing it well, and I'm adding the Avion 400 vitamin E capsule, and I'm just using one capsule, and don't go too much because it can irritate your skin, so please be careful when you're adding vitamin E. And also do a patch test. It might not suit you because vitamin E does not suit to many type of skin, so please do a patch test to it. And also mix it well so that there's no lumps or anything like that. And yeah, and also the consistency should not be very runny, and don't make it too thick also. I'm using this rice water bright face wash to cleanse my face, and make sure you do it for at least 60 or 70 minutes so that your face is actually really clean, and the products also gets a chance to work. I'm just applying it with the help of this brush. You can always use your hand and apply a good amount, a thick layer, so that it does not dry your skin. And don't let it sit for more than 15 to 20 minutes, and don't let it sit until it's completely dry because it will dry your skin. So I think 15 minutes is a good time. And yeah, also don't apply on your eye area, so make sure you avoid it. And yeah, I'm going to wash it, and that's how you can get a good, nice, healthy, clear skin. It's really, really good. So make sure you try it, and if you do, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, with that, I will see you next time. Till then, take care, bye bye, and please be happy. Bye.